Welcome to today's video. If you're looking for a simple, effortless meditation technique that brings peace and inner healing, you'll love Guru Siyag Siddha Yoga.
Let's understand how to practice auto meditation step by step. Guru Siyag Siddha Yoga is a mantra-based meditation method
that activates your inner energy. You don't force your mind, breath, or body. Meditation happens automatically. There are only 3 simple steps. First, listen to Guru Siyag's mantra. Second, chant it mentally throughout the day. Third, meditate for 15 minutes, twice daily. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Chant the mantra silently in your mind. Allow thoughts to come and go. If your body moves naturally, don't resist.
This is your inner Shakti adjusting your system.
You may experience warmth, peace, or gentle inner movements. These experiences are natural and safe. Practitioners often report better sleep and less stress, along with clarity, emotional balance, and deep inner calm. For the full detailed guide, visit the link in the description. Start practicing today. Your inner transformation begins the moment you begin chanting.